Good morning, guys. What up, everybody? Hello, 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 hello. 9 minutes till we get started. Let's get the stream going. Like up the stream. Amazing, amazing pre-market again. Pre-market is where the money's made. Pre-market and after hours. Must get in the Discord if you want to get them alerts quick and some money. See you in 9 minutes. Good morning to those who have joined. 7 minutes till we get started. We'll see you all shortly. Five minutes till we get started, everybody. 5 minutes. See you soon. Like up the stream, though. Like it up. 3 minutes till we get started, guys. 3 minutes. Good morning, guys. What up? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. What up, everybody? Let me change my screen. All working well? Yes. Nice. Cool. All right. Pre-market was absolutely insane. Same as yesterday. It was insane. Very, very good. Lots of money made, which is good to see. Sorry, it's Vero. I keep doing Veru. My bad. Vero. GNS. Keep the questions coming in, guys. I will do them in a minute. I'm going through Twitter, and then I'll get to the got 2 or 3 in the Discord to do from chat requests, and then I will get to you guys on YouTube. All right. So just bear with me, please. Get the questions in. Questions, tickers, anything. GNS needs the downtrend break. Has to break the downtrend. Has to. Has to wait for that to look for an entry. TOPW. What's happening with TOPW? TOPW. Nothing on this. Leave it alone. Nothing unless 325. Nothing unless 325. Yeah, TOPW doesn't look great. Let me just get the stream up and tell everyone that we're live right now. Let's get everybody in. Everybody retweet the link when I post it. All right. Everybody join YouTube live trading link. All right, let's see. Siren. We need to put the siren so we can see it. Go. Everybody retweet that link. Let's get it in. All right, cool. We posted it. All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. FTMO made me truly rich last night. FMTO, I'm assuming you mean? FMTO, yeah. FMTO, you're only entering above 7. Anything below, you don't care. $6.99, you don't want to enter. $7 and above, you want to enter. All right? So wait for that. Then you can look for entries. So do not enter now. Good morning, yo, like upstream. Good morning, FMTO, possible reversal 580 trade zone. Your demand zone's like around here. Maybe I'll pull back into this demand zone. Demand zone. It's right below VWAP right now. Heading to demand zone. Demand zone is where buyers step in. Everybody knows what that means. If you don't know what that means, get to know. Good morning. Yo, yo, yo. Like up the stream. Yes, like up the stream. Good morning, Hurricane. Did muting help the bots? Yeah, it helped me like not seeing as many, but they still do other things. I've muted every day. There's like new words and stuff they do. I don't know what the hell's going on. So for me, I'm not really interested. Just trying to remove them, but they do still come under my post. I just can't see them. Hi, hi, hi. What up? I'm going to die. LGHL. Former runner. What's happening here? 22%. Yeah, it's pushing up right now. Looks pretty good. You have a resistance level around here at 388. Then you have nice wick fill to this level, and then yeah, all the way up. Crazy wick fill. Yeah, guys, I'm not interested in DXF. I don't care about it. Whether it runs to $700 and you make $1 billion, I hope that happens. You can keep this on watch. LGHL is a former run as well. I'll just keep it on my watch list. For now, I don't like it, but might see later on I'll have some price action. What up, Toads? What up, Toads? Good morning, everyone. Let's give this video a thumbs up. Least we can do. Yes, thank you. Appreciate it. I'm stalking FMTO. FMTO 245. Rev B. Rev B is down 16%. You are not entering this unless it gets above 476. If you enter below, then I cannot help you. Straight up, then I went straight down. Rev B needs entries only above $4.76. All right, if you enter below, then I cannot help you. Morning, DXF. Yeah, DXF I'm not really interested in. I don't care if it keeps going. I hope it does. If anyone's in it, good luck. It went straight up and it went straight down. It went straight up 70% and then it came down 40%. So if you want to trade something that's volatile, wish you best of luck. If you want to take entries, you can wait for $14.99. Entries over $14.99. I am not trading or touching this. Right? Whether I tell you that or not, just letting you know. All right, good morning, good morning. DXF FIO over VWAP. Yes, this looks good. Yeah, it needs to close above VWAP, then use the candlestick strategy. Yeah, I may just enjoy the day. Yeah, you have FOMC minutes today as well. Works needs to close above VWAP. It is currently below VWAP. VWAP is 137.9. So don't enter it now. Above VWAP, then you have high probability to go up. Right now, it's a bit difficult. You have a demand zone around here. I personally would just wait for close above VWAP. All right? Yeah, FIO VWAP. FIO, thank you. NWTG. NWTG needs 132 or something, or 262. 312. Yeah, NWTG needs to close above $3.12. If you enter now, have a stop loss, I would say below 239, or sorry, 238. Don't enter now. Just wait. Good morning. What up, Abood, my friend? What up, brother? Big editor SUUN. SUUN. This has no volume at the moment. The stock is very bearish. Extremely difficult to trade something that has low volume like this. I don't really know how to trade this. Just coming down, down, down. Yeah, nothing really on this, to be honest. I would just avoid it. I don't know how to chart something like this. If anything, maybe above like 260, but yeah, it's just too bearish right now. Works finally got this one today. Works needs to close above VWAP. If you enter now, you enter now. I would say it needs to get above VWAP. So Works, set up. Riskier entries now. Entries now. Safer entries. The VWAP. Right, you don't want to be taking it now, but if you do, because I know there's a lot of people who are eager and want to try and get in now for some reason. Some TNMG. TNMG, people are spamming this TNMG as if they're in it and bag holding it. TNMG, there's no entries unless 9063. If you want enter now, feel free. I don't like it right now. I would wait for 9063. 9063. 0.9063. Rev B, can reverb. Are there any shares to enter now? Yes, full port the spy. Theo. Needs to get above VWAP. Needs to get above VWAP. SXTP is down 3%. It's trying to reverse. Looks okay. We might be back on the... Yeah, we're in a demand zone and we're trying to reverse off it. I would wait for 290. This was on the watch list today. Plays got absolutely rocked end of day, but after hours I saw Discord killed it. Reversing off demand zone. So if you enter now, make sure to have a stop loss. Please have a stop loss. If you want to trade without a stop loss, this trading situation is not for you. IXHL. IXHL down 22%. I would just avoid it. Not interested. Sorry. GNS needs to break the downtrend. I don't like this stock. It never really runs. It goes straight up and it comes down. Everybody, please listen up for TNMG because I think we have a lot of people here who don't have ears. So turn up the volume real quick. Turn up the volume on your laptop, phone, iPad, whatever the hell you're using. You are not entering this unless it gets above 0.9063. Screenshot, save this, remove your dog or your cat as your wallpaper, and put this one so you know, so you don't have to ask me 500 times. All right, 0.9063. Thank you. USG, extremely bearish, low volume, downtrend, nothing good about this one. Bearish. Guys, when the market is bearish, you are not going to be trading bearish stocks. It is extremely difficult to predict the bottom of these plays, so I recommend trading the top gainers as what I do every day. That's how you make the money. You want to day trade like myself. Or you can just get in the Discord and then you can see what we're trading. But there's no secret. All we're doing is trading the top movers, the top gainers, because those are the ones that give us the highest probability to look for entries. And we need the volume and we need bullish trades for stocks. We cannot be trading something like QSG. As I mentioned with SXTP, you can wait for 292. Looks like it's pushing up right now. Looks good. Maybe you can wait for the 5-minute close here. Discord members, candlestick strategy if you want. ALLR, probably bearish. Yes, low volume, bearish. No good, bad, bad, bad. Danger, this should be danger to you. So Mr. Hybrid, I hope you're not bag holding this, or I hope you're not in it. You want me just to chart it for the sake of it to see what's going on. But right now it is extremely, extremely bearish. Some people are going to attack me for that because maybe it's a little bit of a personal thing because they're down a lot of money. But unfortunately, that is the truth. Based on the 4-hour, it is bearish. It's in a downtrend. That means that it's bearish. Do not know anything else other than that. I'm going to be using counter rewap. Sorry. I mean, I would say if it's not at least in a bullish trend. So it doesn't have to be in a bullish trend on the 5-minute, but it could be at least a bullish trend on like the 30-minute or it's a top previous run or something. But in terms of the exact amount of volume, you need to look at most of them will be above average volume. Those are the ones you want to trade. ADTX, ADTX, ADTX is down 11% and then down 5%. ADTX is no good. Avoid this at all costs. If you want to take an entry on this for some odd reason, you can wait for $5.70 break. Right? Right now, you do not want to touch this because it is in a downtrend. It's bearish. Even though it popped up like that and then came down, we still don't want to be trading this. Right? Okay, what do we see here? LGHL, not really interested on this right now. I'm going to remove this off the watch list. FMTO, trying to push up. Vero, looking all right. We need to get back over VWAP. Needs to get back over VWAP, but it's looking okay. It's looking okay. Needs VWAP reclaim. Because if it's below VWAP, there's a high probability to go down. If it's above VWAP, there's a high probability to go up. That's very simple. So, 2 nice trades on NAOV. Nice. How's NAOV doing? Oh, nice. I didn't even see this one. No, this ran yesterday. Yeah, 144% yesterday. NAOV. Yeah, it's breaking this level. 729 break would be worth entries. Above 729, I would take some impulse entries. Entries over 729. Make sure to have a stop loss if you enter. Please make sure to have a stop loss. Sun down 62% on this. If there is a God, can this bounce to 6 cents for me to get my $15,000 back? Hopefully it does, but next time use a stop loss. Theo is moving. Let's see what's happening here. Yeah, did this close above VWAP? So this closed above VWAP. Then from there, you use the candlestick strategy. Discord members, if you got in, you got in. If not, wait for the next candle. 154 break is your next key level. Breaking it as we speak. We have 175 and then $2. Go. What is this? Theo. Strong volume on Theo. Apparently the news was pretty good. Let's have a look at it quickly. Don't know what the news was about earlier. You're moving down, Tony. QNRX. What's happening here? QNRX is chilling. Halted. News halt. So nothing on QNRX. Can't really help you with this. ICCT. This is going to reverse. It's in demand zone, isn't it? Yeah, it's pushing up a bit. Looks good. I can try and make this a demand, falling wedge. I'll try and make everything as bullish as I can. Something like this, maybe. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Maybe this break of this high here. What is this? 360. Definitely worth a watch today. It's had a nice little pullback yesterday, 36%. So it should push up again today. We'll see how market is. IINN. Don't know what people are looking at on this. They need serious help if they're watching something like this, but I know they're probably stuck in trade for some. IINN bearish. Including VWAP in my determination has made a huge difference. If Discord members haven't watched a video, yes, they need to. I'm busy doing a video on it now. Well, I'm doing an updated version of it. FTMO is moving up. FMTO, sorry, moving up. Looking pretty good here. Kind of interested to see what happens with this one. Onco, this one went up and came down yesterday. Oof, didn't really do anything. Yeah, this needs to get above 145. Right now, no good. No good on this. No good, no good, no good. Nothing unless 0.145 rate. Right, guys, let's get some questions in. Apart from the tickers, they're all fantastic and well, and I'm like a robot right now. But if you get some questions in regarding trading, if what you struggle with, what you don't understand, ask away, because this is where you will learn, right? I'll be with you in 1 minute. I'm going to go get some water and I will be back. All right, get the questions in. Questions, questions, questions. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm back. MBot. What is MBot doing? MBot, try to push up, came straight down. A lot of resistance here. MBot. MBot not great. Kind of a weird chart. We have demand zone here. Maybe it's reversing of the demand zone, but I don't really like something like this. Prefer it to be in a bullish trend, so it must be up, 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 up. Yeah, this needs to in demand zone. I don't really like this chart right now. Still learning. Any tips on using volume indicator? Personally, I wouldn't use it. The simplest thing I would do is go onto this website. It costs you $0. It makes you $1 billion a week. Use it. This is where you'll find the top gainers. Right? Don't need to use the volume indicator because all of them have the high volume. Anybody take this one? Discord members took it. I know there's 2 people who messaged me. They took it. Well done on Theo. Congratulations, you are very rich and very wealthy. Now you can come and join us in the Discord. We will see you in there. Oh baby, never try and fight the trend. When there is volume, volume will always win. That is why. Very important to set up. Okay. LGHL. LGHL. What's happening with this thing? Nothing unless 388. Close above 388, maybe entries. Nothing right now. An FCMO, good luck. When you guys set your stop, do you have a CXL quicks to sell? Weeble tells me orders pending. You cannot have a stop loss during pre-market. If you're using Weeble, use OTO orders. One triggers the other. You can place a stop loss and a target together. It's under group orders, I think. Are these 1 minute? No. Look here quickly. Look at my mouse. Oh, hello, hello. Bottom is 5 minutes, and you can see the top is 5 minutes. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. I trade on the 5 minutes. Just a heads up, it is not the best time frame to use. You can use any time frame you want. I just like using this because it works well for me. Some people use the 2-second time frame. Some people use the 5-hour time frame. There are lots of ways you can trade. Entries only above 388. Yeah, above 388 looks good. Right now, no. I don't see anything on it yet. But fine. Okay, thanks Tiger, just snatched a quick trade. Lovely. I am in ICCT. Would you say I hold? Seems to be moving. Please analyze. Okay, so what was your reasoning for entering the trade on ICCT? I want to hear it. I want to see why you took it. And then from there, I will give you my reasoning and what I think. So we will wait and see what the reasoning was. So we will see what the reasoning was for your ICCT entry. And then from there, we will go and give you a reasoning why I think, or what I think will happen. Whilst we're waiting, we will see. Theo is looking fantastic. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Amazing job on that. NAOV is pushing up. SXTP, it's alright. Works. No good. Vero is trying to hold here. I'm going to move this to here so we can have lines like. Holding on us, holding on us, holding. Okay. How can I identify that are likely to surge at pre-market open? What tools, indicators, or news sources do you manage? So you can simply do this. It is free. This is $1 billion worth of information and news I'm giving you for free. Not charging you for it. Some people will charge you for this. All you have to do is click on that website. It is Weeble. Then you can do the top gainers. And from there, you will have the top gainers. So then you can go to after hour top gainers, which were from yesterday. You can see which ones were up. So I will walk you through this very simply. You can click onto after hours once you've clicked the link. Then we can see Vero, Works, FMTO were the top 3 movers last night. Then when market opened, Those are the likely ones to run. However, then you can go on to pre-market. Then you can watch the ones that are moving for pre-market. Build your watch list through that way. No need for indicators. No need for any scanners, screeners, tools, news sources, nothing. All the plays that are up pre-market or after hours, they have news. They have the volume. You don't need to use any indicators to analyze or anything. Unless you have a different kind of style of trading. For me, I use one indicator and that is it. Didn't catch that about Webull, stop loss pre-market. Didn't catch that about Webull and stop orders pre-market. You can't use stop loss during pre-market. PO is looking crazy right now. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Please check the news I came across. So Tosin, you got in because of the news. Is that correct? Just want to understand so I can see where your brain is. And then I can tell you what my brain is saying. People, Discord members, how many of you took this candlestick strategy? Absolutely easy. Stevie Wonder just sent me 6 messages saying he made $4.7 million off this trade. Well done to my man Stevie. Stevie Wonder, the legend. Schwab locks you out from 4 p.m. to 4:05. Does Webull? Not that I know of. No, Webull allows you to trade from pre-market open, which is 4 a.m. until after hours close. Don't know what time that is. 6 p.m. Eastern. Okay, Veros holding on. FMTO, no. HEPA, don't care about this. Off my watch list. BTOG, off my watch list. GNPX, off my watch list. TRNR is trying to push up, but nothing really interesting about this one. CYCU, weak. CYCU does not look good right now. TSLL Thoughts. TSLL Thoughts. This is a ETF for Tesla. Well, right now it is bearish. All I can tell you is that it's in a downtrend. Thanks, no problem. Vero, holding on, trying to, I don't think it will go. Trying to hold on, it's trying. Guys, this is the only link here, right? Ignore those bots who are spamming telegrams and congrats to whoever made $1 million or whatever. This is the link. You click there. So once you click on it, you will see 1 or 3 months here. You can choose it. There are new spots for this month. Every single month we open up spots and then they are limited. So once they are gone, they are gone. I don't know how many spots are left. But yes, there are, as I can see here, there's 1 month and 3 months still available, right? So feel free to join. There are live trading link every single day. I do it for an hour. Hassie does an hour. Our seminars are in there. Our strategies are in there. The recaps, everything, pretty much everything. Live alerts, swing trades, evening option alerts coming up, starting next week as well. So yeah, lots of great stuff coming in. And then one seminar coming out on Sunday, and then next week another one coming on Sunday. This Sunday will be pre-market seminar, and then next week will be demand zone seminar, which I have already done, but I'll be updating it because I did a while ago and I was not very good at speaking on the mic. Now obviously I've got a little bit better over time. Discord members, I need you all to do me a favor. When I'm doing the YouTube live, you need to join this, okay? I cannot do everything at once. Do not ask me for questions in the Discord when I'm doing this. I'll see it. SXTP coming down. Remove this one off my watch list. See you later. NAOV off my watch list. See you later. Now let's make a quick analysis. This is how quick and easy I make my trading. I have FIO, I have Works, I have Vero, and I have FMTO. These are all the plays that I'm watching. These are the top gainers. These are the top movers. These are the highest probability plays that will run at open, and these are the ones that will probably make me money. Now let's look at which one is running. Is FMTO? No. Is Vero? No. Is Works? No. Is FIO? Yes. So which one is likely to run out of these four that I've just mentioned? You can hear me. Everyone can hear me. I think it's very clear to understand and see. FIO is the one that looks like is going to run today, right? That's as easy as my analysis, not because of news, not because someone posts on Twitter, not because someone put a price target, not because of the news. I don't care anything about the news. I don't care about the CEO. I don't care about why it's running. All I know is based on technicals, I can see that it looks like the best setup. I will also add ICCT. This is also a good one to watch. EST, yes, EST. 4 a.m. EST is when pre-market opens. Trade on Webull then. If you live in the US, recommend using it. Someone can drop their code if they want to. All right. I am going to head into Discord now. I've got to sort out a few things. Got a few messages from some members. Live trading link will be sent out in 20 minutes. I will see you there. All the alerts, stop loss entries, and fun things are in there. See you guys. Thank you again, Twitter, for the support. Let's have a great day, and I'll see you all tomorrow.